This is the numeric shifter for the 981 Cayman, but they're also available for the 718, the 987, and also the 996, 997, and 991 911s. So this is a CNC machine, made in America part. Uses a built aluminum housing, has precision ball bearings on all axes. I'll show you that in just a second. Very rigid design. Really cleans up the shifting. Porsche makes a pretty good shifter, but there's a little bit of play in the factory shifter. This is kind of what they call rifle-like. They also offer available cables that replace the factory cable. These are much thicker gauge and much more rigid, so you're going to get a lot firmer shift engagement. So this works with the factory shift knob. A lot of our customers run the Racing shift knobs as well, which is a nice addition. Combination of all that makes for a really great driving experience. So let me just pick this up and just kind of show you the movement. Very nice machine part. Dual axes, so as whatever motion you go in, it's going to adjust. Can't wait to put this on the Project 981 Cayman that we're doing, build series we're doing. Just show you the part. All nice hardware, very high quality part. Really transforms the shifting, about a 35% reduction in actual travel into gear, and then fully adjustable, so you can adjust the height of the shift knob via this arm. So very nice part. A lot of very happy customers with the numeric shift kit. A lot of customers will add the cables on. It's a really nice upgrade. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't. We'll be putting in our 981 Project Cayman build series that also has a 3.8 liter X51 engine going into it. So very excited to show those, the outcome of those. Thanks.